We have never shown anyone this before.
This is exactly how much money we've made on YouTube. I'm Tom. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie. And I'm Cherie. And we're Enjoy the Journey.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. Our channel is all about RV living and traveling full-time. If you are brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and ring that little bell. That way you get notified when we release a brand new video. And be sure to catch the bloopers at the end. Yes, you can get paid to make videos on YouTube. If you're not real familiar with YouTube and how that works, there's something called channel monetization. We happen to be monetized, which is a really nice side income. And in this video, I'm going to reveal what we actually make on YouTube. Not everyone can do it, at least initially. You need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within 1 year. What we found in our experience is it's actually easier to get all of the watch time and harder to get the subscribers. Our primary way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense revenue. Those ads down there that YouTube puts out on there. And you might be wondering, well, how can I have access to that? Well, there was this thing called the Adpocalypse or something here a year or two ago where you could get monetized really quickly on YouTube, but then there were some people making bad content and I guess advertisers didn't like it. And we had a small channel then. We were making a few pennies, a few dollars a month. It was really nothing. And then we got demonetized in that adpocalypse. Basically any channel that had less than 1,000 subscribers. But so don't get hung up on the criteria part of it. Just know that you need at least 1,000 subscribers now. And so we did finally hit that again about a year ago. We hit 1,000 subscribers a year ago. Can you believe that? Now we're over 32,000 as of this recording. We started making money on YouTube. And actually with everything that we did the very first month, and this is not the final amount that I'm going to share with you of what we're making on YouTube, but when we added up all of the other revenues, affiliate income, some product sales, we actually made $1,000 in our first month of being remonetized on YouTube. But it gets better than that. I'm going to share as much as I can with you guys in this video and then tell you about a way that if you're interested in doing this for yourself, for your own YouTube channel, if you have one or if you want to start one, I'm going to help you to grow that channel and make money if that is what you want to do. Now the revenue split with YouTube is actually pretty good. You get to keep 55% of the ad revenue of the ads that YouTube shows on your videos, and YouTube takes 45%. So YouTube shows these ads on the videos that you put out there. If you choose to monetize them, you can turn that monetization on or off when you are approved. And that approval process might take some time. It took us like over a month once we hit the criteria. YouTube is kind of slow on that for some reason. So depending on how popular your videos are or how many views your videos get is going to be how much you get paid and how many ads can be shown on your videos. If it's a really short video, there may only be one ad. If it's a really long video, there may be a lot of ads that can be shown on your video. So those ads that are showing on your videos are not going to get shown on every single one. It's like maybe every 2 or 3 videos YouTube will show ads. And There's also something called YouTube Premium now that people can sign up for to get rid of the ads, and you still get paid a portion of that. I won't get into all the details, but YouTube Premium is a part of the amount that we do get in our videos. But there are a lot of different factors that go into the overall amount that you would get. But basically, the more views you get, the more monetized views you get, the more money you're going to make, the more ads that get shown. We've had some videos that have gotten a lot of views, and it's really helped grow our channel, both in subscribers and also in income.
Now we're getting into the YouTube Studio. Going to click over to Analytics and then Revenue. And you can see right here the last 28 days of revenue, 16, 65, 68. But we are interested in the lifetime revenue. Just click over to lifetime, and here it is, $12,456.38. And that is in well less than a year, July of 2018 up until now, which is June of 2019. And I can tell you that the last couple of months here, May and April, have been about $4,500. But obviously some months where it's been around $1,000, and January around $500. So I hope that you can appreciate we are showing you information here that almost nobody gets to see unless you're actually doing it, in case you are interested in pursuing a YouTube channel. And this is pretty good considering I think we are still a somewhat small channel with just over 30,000 subscribers. But as you can see, you don't need to have a lot of subscribers to make a significant side income on YouTube.
Cherie and I are building a course on how to be successful on YouTube. In this course, we'll cover how we went from just 1,000 subscribers and in less than a year to over 32,000 subscribers. But in that time, we had videos that got hundreds of thousands of views and made us thousands of dollars. And we're not talking just ad revenue. We're talking product sales and affiliate income as well. And that was not included in that other figure. We'll share the 3 top things that you need to do to make sure you're successful on YouTube. We'll share a bunch of things that you don't need to do. There's so much advice out there, and a lot of it is wrong. And a lot of things you can do that just don't really have a high payoff in terms of the time it takes for you to do it and what it costs in order to do those things. So this will help you to focus on only the important things that will really make your channel grow fast in terms of subscribers and views. What questions do you have about starting and growing a YouTube channel? Make sure you comment below with those. We'll try to answer as many of those as possible, and maybe include some of those in the course as we wrap that up. And if you'd like to get early details on the course and when it's going to be released, plus a special sign-up offer, make sure you click up here or sign up for our email newsletter down below. That way you will be notified when we release the course. If you are brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, ding that little bell, and you'll be notified when we release a brand new video. Share the video with your friends and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Catch you later, guys, next time. You know what? I don't want to end yet. I'm going to share a tip right from our course. I like to record out here in nature, actually doing what we're doing. Like, we make RV living and travel videos, so we record out and about around our adventuring, exploring around the RV. We rarely like to be inside and talking about what's going on unless it's absolutely required, because people want to watch and discover what you're doing, what you're passionate about. And this is so cool to be out here in nature and hear the natural sounds. And this walking and talking video, so much better than sitting on a couch or just standing and facing the camera. and it keeps people's attention and gives them something else to look at. So that's just one little tip that I'm going to share with you right now as you think about recording videos for your YouTube channel. The only way we make money on YouTube, we do have affiliate sales and product sales that... Oh really? You're going to be a part of this video too? Oh, thank you. The crow knows. There's a tip about YouTube, is use it, whatever happens, noises, whatever, use that in your videos. You never know when someone or something is going to interrupt you. Successful things that are almost... I gotta stop walking down this path. It's like a warning. Yes, tell your friends I'm here. All right, new route. Oh, they're quiet now. I guess that's that. That's a wrap.